What's up, legends? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you just how much more money you could be making on YouTube Shorts. And we're going to be specifically focusing on RPM. Now, if you're watching this video and you're yet to monetize your YouTube channel, just watch the video anyway, because it will teach you a lot. And when you do monetize your channel, you will monetize it, then you'll know exactly how to make the most money from your videos. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you guys everything on my channel. But firstly, I want you guys to understand what RPM actually means. So RPM on YouTube Shorts, which stands for revenue per mil, indicates the amount of money a creator earns for every 1,000 views on their shorts content. So it's a key metric for creators as it reflects how much their shorts are generating revenue, blah, blah, blah. It's generally lower for shorts compared to long form videos, which we already know. And the RPM of normal channels averages around 0.05 to 0.07. I'm assuming that's US dollars. And that's completely spot on because my average RPM on my football shorts channel is around 0.04 to 0.05. Nothing crazy. Now I'm going to show you my channel's RPM and we can see how much money a video makes and how the RPM can fluctuate between the content that you create. So the first video on my channel that we're going to look at, and I think it's a really great example for this scenario. It's done very well, 4.3 million views, higher than usual, 35K subscribers gained, and made over 100 US dollars, which compared to other channels with this amount of views is really crap. But for my channel, $100 for 4 million views is pretty good. You'll see that the RPM for this video was only 0.03. So that means for every 1,000 views this video got, it generated 0.03 cents, which is really bad. So just by looking at this data, we can understand why the RPM is so low because these countries, aren't investing so much into their advertisements on YouTube. Therefore, the people that are watching the video probably aren't getting as many ads on their shorts feed as compared to people in Australia or the US, for example. Now, if you have a monetized channel or you create content just like me, which doesn't have any language, it's just football, anyone in the world can watch this, kids, adults, anyone. So how do you increase your RPM and how do you make more money on YouTube? Now let's look at a second video and I'll show you how you can boost your RPM very easily. Video number 2 is this one here. So it's actually me just talking about Ronaldo and Messi, and I posted it a few days ago. So yeah, it's just me talking about Messi and Ronaldo. It's got 84 likes, which is really, really bad for my channel. So if we scroll down from revenue, we can see that the RPM is almost 4 times higher than the previous video. It's 0.11. Now that's extremely high in terms of RPM on my channel. And the reason why that is so high is because if I click see more geography, as you can see, United Kingdom, United States, so they're the top 2 countries that have watched this video, making up about 30% of overall views. And that is why the RPM is so much higher. If we look at the video itself, it's me talking about, whatever. There's English subtitles. Obviously, people that speak English will be able to understand the video. But if we look at my key demographic, we look at my videos, these ones here that I post on my channel consistently for the last year, there's no need to understand English to be able to watch these videos. So everyone from around the world is going to be watching them. And because my audience is so mixed, my RPM is so low. And what I've been trying to do with these videos, so I've posted about 8 or 9 of them now, and I've been able to actually increase my RPM because people in the US and especially the UK have been watching these videos, and it's just been great for my channel's RPM. It's been over 0.10 every single video. But as we can see, the performance of these videos is so crap. I haven't even been able to get over 10,000 views. That's the best one, 9.1 thousand. It just goes to show that if you've already built up an established audience of people from a certain demographic, it's so hard to change content. And I've actually been posting these videos as a bit of an experiment, specifically for this video that you're watching right now, just to prove a point that it is very easy to change your RPM and increase it, but it's hard to maintain views. So if I was to just keep posting these videos of me speaking English, it's not going to work because they're not going to get the views, although the RPM is going to be increased. No one's going to watch them and I'll actually be losing money. So it's better off if I just create these brain rot, Ronaldo chooses left or right, no one says anything, the same music over and over again. I'm actually making money from those videos. And a prime example is this video here. It's generated over 4.3 million views, 100 US dollars. And even though the RPM is incredibly low, There's no way I'd be able to get those views on this type of video where it's just me talking to the camera and no one's even fully engaged. People only watch halfway through the video and it's got a very low swipe rate. And like I said before, this was just an experiment. I don't think this is sustainable long-term for my channel, but I'm doing this as an experiment just to prove a point to you guys that it is still possible to boost your RPM. So, what do you guys think? If you still haven't monetized your channel, you've got plenty of time to play around with different types of content. If you've already monetized your channel and you feel like you could be making more money, definitely try to utilize English-speaking countries because, as we've established, they pay the most for the RPM. Now, in my case, with my football channel, because it's already got millions and millions of people from all around the world, it's going to be too late for me to try to convert it to an English-speaking channel and then boost up the RPM, which is easier said than done, right? However, with that being said, if you're still able to maintain the views, but also boost the RPM, then you will be doing incredibly well. If I was able to maintain 4 million plus views on these videos with a 0.11 RPM, I would be making 4 times the money. So from 4 million views, instead of making $100, I've been making $400. And that may not seem, a huge life-changing amount, but if that is for every single video, 4x on profit, that is incredible. Hopefully this video wasn't too long and taught you enough. So now you can go and implement these changes in your own channel. Like I said, if you haven't monetized your channel yet, you will monetize it. So good luck with your channels. As always, comment down below if you have any questions. I'm going to be making some very good and insightful videos very soon using these types of experiments that I'm doing on my own channel. And hopefully we can all learn something together. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you for watching.